You started adding chia for your sleep, your weight loss, your gut, right? But weeks later, nothing really changed. The truth? You've been doing it halfway right. They call chia seeds the ultimate superfood. You see them everywhere, in smoothies, puddings, overnight oats. Everyone swears by them. But here's the part nobody talks about. Chia seeds alone won't kill inflammation. And what's worse, most people using them are wasting their efforts without even realizing it. The hidden problem. Everyone misses. Millions use chia, believing it's fighting inflammation, protecting the heart, and boosting gut health. And yes, chia seeds do contain fiber, protein, and omega-3s, called ALA. But here's the twist. Your body can't easily turn that ALA into the omega-3s that actually fight inflammation, EPA and DHA. Sounds complex? Here's the simple truth. 95% of chia's omega-3 never even reaches your cells. That means you're doing the right thing, but your body still stays inflamed, bloated, and tired. And over time, unchecked inflammation silently eats away at your joints, your focus, and your heart. So before you lose hope, stay with me, because what you'll learn in the next few minutes will change how you use chia forever. The discovery that changes everything. Scientists found that when chia seeds are combined with turmeric and a small amount of healthy fat, the effect completely transforms. You've probably heard of turmeric, but not like this. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a molecular switch. It contains curcumin, proven to shut down inflammation at its root. A 2023 review of over 60 studies found curcumin lowered inflammation markers, like CRP and TNF-alpha, the same ones doctors check to measure chronic inflammation. Meanwhile, chia feeds your cells with omega-3s and antioxidants. Together, they're like a tag team. Chia repairs your cell walls. Turmeric rewires the inflammation signals. Imagine two firefighters, one cooling the flames, the other cutting off the oxygen feeding the fire. That's how they work inside your body. But here's where most people mess it up. Both chia and turmeric need fat to be absorbed. Skip the fat, and your body can't use either properly. One clinical study found that curcumin absorption skyrockets by over 2,000% when taken with healthy fats, and yet, most people add turmeric to plain water or chia to low-fat yogurt. That means the nutrients never get absorbed. They just pass through. This is the step 99% of people miss, and it's why chia alone never works. Science-backed recipe. Here's how to do it right. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, ½ teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon olive oil or coconut oil. Add them to your smoothie, almond milk, or warm water. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so the chia expands. That golden gel, that's your body's signal to heal. And if you're wondering when you'll feel it, keep listening, because this part gets exciting. What happens? Next. By day 3, digestion starts to feel smoother, bloating drops. By week 2, joint stiffness begins to ease. By week 4, you'll wake up lighter, more energetic, and more focused. And by week 8, clearer skin, better sleep, and a steady, calm energy all day. It's not a quick fix. It's a cellular reset. When you feed your body the right combination long enough, it begins to heal itself from the inside out. A 59-year-old viewer from Florida wrote to me, "I used chia for months and felt nothing. After adding turmeric and olive oil, my knees stopped aching, and I finally felt lighter." And that's when it hit me. Healing was never complicated. It was just incomplete. Quick recap. Chia gives omega-3s and antioxidants, but with limited bioavailability. Turmeric shuts down inflammation at the gene level. Healthy fats make both absorbable and effective. Together, they fight inflammation from multiple angles, something no single food can do alone. Think of it this way: chia builds, turmeric heals, and fat unlocks it all. Before you go, if this opened your eyes, comment yes below. It helps more people discover the truth. So subscribe, stay curious, and remember, food isn't just fuel, it's information. Every bite tells your body what to do next. So tell your body to heal. Stay consistent, stay balanced, and take care of yourself, because it's the only place you have to live.